short and we'll try and convey the point that we are here to convey. So before we get going, I would like to invite our guests of honor on the dais and we'll also introduce them.
I'm glad that we all could make it here, and then thank you all coming here and then attending this ceremony. See, globally, every person, it's been a challenge without any organizing and optimizing their resource strength or tools. It's always a big trouble. Without any tools and gadgets nowadays, people cannot even travel anywhere. And then if you see 30 years ago, 25 years ago at least, pagers were the big, technology innovation. But nowadays, each and every person carrying 2 or 3 cell phones and with mobile applications. So technology has made a lot of leap in the past 20 years. And then if you see the phenomenal growth of social media and the sites like mobile, Facebook and Twitter and any mobile applications, which has literally reduced the communication between any part of different cities. Like say, if a person is in Chicago and then he can communicate within no time to a person in Chittagong. So instantaneously the information can reach, which is sometimes it's good and bad. And because of this thing, all the businesses, it's very, very important that they have to have a very clear, system or tool or technology for them to support their business.
On using technology, to the hilt and making use of technology in building products that can make a difference. So our biggest assets is we have ideas, we have fire, and we have the energy. So we are trying to streamline all of that and build products. And by doing so, we want to make sure that the products, impact, an individual and the environment around them, in a positive way. And we want to deliver mainstream applications. When I say mainstream applications, one of the things that is very critical that I've observed is that people talk of internet or mobile as being inclusive. But if you look at the applications that are built on the internet or on the mobile platform, it's not very inclusive. The people who actually use the applications are today, from a age category, they vary between 15 to 25, 30 years. But beyond 30, 35 years to 60, 65, 70 years, there are not many people. A couple of thoughts maybe from start with Mr. Mohan. We'll have a cordless mic that we can pass on.
Good evening. Mr. Balaji, Mr. Pratima, friends from the dais, and our good friends from press. First, to introduce myself and our company, Kalyana Male. We have conducted within this last 13 years, 82,000 marriages. We have finalized our hotel, our magazine, our individual community meets and all other things. Prior to that, for the past 30 years, we have a company called Aditi. We are running this catering.
Entrepreneurs who are at different stages of their business, some who have an idea, some are at an early stage, some are very well established entrepreneurs. The Chennai chapter has over 600 members in different domains, different industries, again different sizes of entrepreneurial journey. So we have worked and we have understood a lot of things about what it is to be an entrepreneur. And I see in Pradyumna's initiative in Chennai Halls 2 or 3 outstanding features which are so important to build a successful enterprise.
It's a fabulous effort by Chennai Halls because they will be getting, as he said, they will be getting the first mover advantage in all the ways. So we wish them all the best. Because I think we are the right person to wish them We are having almost around